Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing how to make free website on your mobile phone. Step first one, now search on google.blogger.com. Today I'm use google.blogger.com because Google give us one domain name and hosting. What is domain? Domain is name of your website like this www.blogger.com. Hosting is your website all information stored here. First one, now search on google.blogger.com and click google.blogger.com. Then log in your email ID. Then click new blog and enter your blog name. I am now enter blog name like this. Then click next and choose your URL. Google Blogger give us one domain name, so I am now select my domain name. This name is available on blog, so click save. And now view our website. We have now create successfully website on Google Blogger and launch our website on internet. My second step, how to post on our website from mobile. Just going to our Blogger control panel and click here and now click new post. I will enter the title, website title, and enter paragraph. Add image. Just click image by URL. And now select. Then now click setting and now use label. Label is the most important. Then now published. Now refresh our website and looking one post on our website. We are successfully create website and now post on our website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you make proportional full website, now make video already in my YouTube channel how to make proportionally make website from your mobile and your desktop. I will give link in this description